terrorist base, destroyed by American forces while defending civilian relief convoys, has yielded documents that provide important clues regarding the GLA's toxin program. Reports suggest that a key research facility, as well as a possible source of funding for the lethal program, have been identified. Although the US commander will not provide confirmation, our network analysts predict that, if the intelligence is reliable, America will respond. This is James Seabury, reporting from Falcon Base.
General, Colonel Burton and Black Lotus are in position. Their primary objective is this secret laboratory. Its location was revealed by the documents captured during your last mission.
Can't miss.
Once she has completed her download, Colonel Burton must bring down the mountainside on the lab and bury it forever.
They won't notice me. I'll scout ahead. Hope no one's looking. I'll scout ahead. On the path. On the path. On the path. He's in full view. Got a clear shot. Can't miss. He's in full view.
All right, I see the POW camp. Looks like they have a tunnel network that passes under the river.
Let's take their buildings from them. Their building is ours.
Nice work, Lotus. Tunnel's down here. Just take care of a couple of guards, and I'll have everyone freed.
What do you got?
No obstacles. I'll be your spotter. Getting a better view. Getting a better view. Getting a better view. Got a clear shot.
Colonel Burton here. Yeah.
I see everything. Can't miss. Getting a better view. Got a clear shot. Got a clear shot. Getting a better view. Out of the shadows. Getting a better view. Leave no trace. I'll be your spotter. Can't miss. Can't miss. Getting a better view.
Thanks for the rescue, sir. A couple of our men broke off to check out the village east of here before we were captured. They may still be over there.
Congratulations, General.
Always prepared.
I'm sure the families of those men will be happy to hear they've been
I
rescued.
see everything.
General, the GLA's lab is directly north of your current position. There are a number of GLA defenses still along your route. Be careful.
Hope no one's looking. They won't notice me. On the path. I'll scout ahead. On the path. They won't notice me. On the path. I'll scout ahead. Hope no one's looking. Getting a better view. Hope no one's looking. Hope no one's looking. I'll scout ahead. They won't notice me. Hope no one's looking. I'll scout ahead. Can't
Pin him down.
miss.
Put your arms in the air. Pin him down.
no one's looking.
Don't want any
On the
trouble here.
path.
Don't want any trouble here.
Hope no one's looking. Can't miss.
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Getting a better view. On the path.
General, it appears that there are several GLA radar bands in the area. If your forces get too close, they will be detected.
I know my way around. Hope no one's looking. On the path. Hope no one's looking. Hope no one's looking.
Right here. I'll be there. No obstacles. Let's get to the action. Let's get to the action.
Hidden identity. They won't notice me. Hope no one's looking. They won't notice me.
Let's get to the action.
Sniper here. Hidden identity. Getting a better view. Getting a better view.
I've seen it all. Now this building should work for now. Let's go in there. Now this building should work for now.
I see everything. They won't notice me. They won't notice me. Out of the shadows. They won't notice me. They won't notice me. Hope no one's looking.
Keeping it cool. Let's get to the action.
I'll be your spotter.
I'll scout ahead. I'll scout ahead.
They won't notice me. They won't notice me. Getting a better view. He's in full view. On the path.
Deadly efficient. I'll be there. Let's get to the action. I own him. I'll be there. Where are we going? This is too easy. Come on, punk. Needs an attitude adjustment. Let's see what you got. Come on, punk. I own him.
Hidden identity. No one looking. On the path.
I've seen it all. I'll take anything you give me.
I know my way around.
Keeping it cool.
Sniper here. No trace. Can't miss. He's in full view. He's in full view. I know my way around. Can't miss. Hope no one's looking. They won't notice me. He's in full view. They won't notice me. They won't notice me. Should have a good view. Sniper here. On the path.
Heading for cover. Deadly efficient.
Hidden identity. I see everything.
I'll scout ahead. I'll scout ahead.
On the path. On the path. They won't notice me.
I'll scout ahead. I'll scout ahead.
Hidden identity. They won't notice me.
Right here. Special Forces here. Rally point confirmed. On the go. Heading out. Heading out. Rally point confirmed. Search and destroy. Search and destroy. Take a new position.
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Always prepared. Special forces here.
GLA base.
Ready for action.
Intel never said anything about this
Point
being here.
confirmed.
Doesn't look like they were
Take a new
expecting
position. Protecting our people.
C4 here and there, and I'll
Deploy
make
back.
short work of this place. Just say the word, General.
Always prepared. On the go. Rally point confirmed. Special forces here.
This
Paladin
vehicle
taking
has
the
two
field.
modes. The first generates a continuous microwave field in front of the vehicle, very lethal to all infantry. The second allows it to disrupt the functions of any targeted
8 p.m.
building.
vehicle standing by.
That's some new toy. General, if you focus at those
Protecting our
tunnel networks and Stinger sites guarding the
Paladin
mountain,
taking
I'll
the
slip
field.
right by him.
Yes, sir. It will be an honor. What do you got?
It appears that
This
those
is
oil
too
derricks are the only source of
Polished and
income for the
ready.
GLA base. If you can destroy them, you will cripple the GLA field.
This is too easy. Let's get to it.
Unit lost.
Let's see what you've got. This is too easy. I'll be there. Come on, punk. No obstacles. Time demo charge. Something to remember me by.
Wavelengths calibrated. HBM vehicle standing by. Power coupling optimized.
Doing what's right. You can depend on it. Yes, sir. We fight for peace. It will be an honor. Confirmed. We're moving. It will be an honor. It's the right thing to do. We fight for peace. It's the right thing to do. You can depend on it. Paladin taking the field.
Unit lost.
Got real fast. Piece of cake. Whoa! Let's go for it. Oh yeah. Let's go for it. Break it loose. Break it loose. Let's go. Looks like a good run.
Wavelengths calibrated.
Train for perfection. Remote demo jar present for you. Where are we going? Remote demo jar. Saving it just for you.
Power coupling optimized. Maintaining wavelength integrity.
Right here. Remote demo jar. Something to remember me by.
Unit lost.
General, my forces are moving on the final GLA position this side of the river. Please inform Colonel Burton that he should hurry. I would prefer not to wait too long for him to catch up.
Remote demo jar. Been saving it just for you. Where are we going? He's an attitude adjustment. Remote demo jar. Present.
We're taking fire! We need some support here!
Anything you give me. I'll be there. Where are we going? I'll be there. No obstacles. I'll be there.
Unit lost.
Anything you give me.
HBM vehicle standing by.
What do you got? This is too easy.
Unit
Let's see what
lost.
you got. I don't get it. Needs an attitude adjustment. Let's see what you got.
Our Colonel Burton
No
has been detected.
I see everything.
Right here.
Needs an attitude adjustment. Remote demo charge. I know just what it needs. Let's get to the action. Where are we going? Remote demo charge. Something to remember me by. I'll be there. Where are we going? Remote demo charge. Just get me in close. I'll take anything you give me. I'll take anything you give me. Let's see what you got.
I'll be your spawner. Leave no trace. On the path. Got a clear shot.
What do you got? I'll take anything you give me. Straight for perfection. Let's see what you got. This is too easy. Come on. No obstacles. I'll be there. I've seen it all. Where are we going? I own him. Let's see what you got.
Our Colonel
Where are we
Burton
going?
has been
No
detected.
obstacles. This is too easy. I'll be there. No obstacles. Let's see what you got.
Hidden identity. I'll scout ahead. Can't miss.
Deadly efficient. I'll take anything you give me. Come on, punk. Let's get to the action. Colonel Burton here. This is too easy. Come on, punk. I understand. Come on, punk. I'll take anything you give me. This is it. I'm moving into position above the lab. Don't keep me waiting, Lotus. It's cold up here.
I'm here, Colonel. You win. The GLA put up a stronger fight than I had anticipated. Beginning download.
Charges set. Say when, Lotus.
I have the data. Now, Colonel.